Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Kohl's credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Kohl's credit card online, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in credit.kohls.com and press enter on your keyboard. Log into your Kohl's credit card by entering your customer login information on the right hand side of the screen. Type in your username in the first text box, or if you don't have an account yet or if you've not registered for a username yet, click on the register link and follow the instructions. Once you enter your username, go to the next field and type in your password. In case you don't remember the username and you'd like to look for it, you can click on this forgot username link and follow the instructions. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, just click on the forgot password link and reset to a new password by following the on-screen prompts. After typing in all of the credentials, click the login button and you'll be able to access your Kohl's credit card account right from your computer or your mobile devices once you have an internet connection. You can pay your bills online, enroll in paperless statements, request a credit limit increase, and so much more after you sign in. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.